What you watching, Age? Is that Caesar?
That was really impressive, Caesar. I mean, when I did his acting, he didn't even know.
It's like, I've seen the show on TV many times and knew that it was fast, but I didn't know it was that fast. You have to see it to believe it, I guess. The issue was mine, as well as my husband, and Beverly's learning as well, too. We've been letting Posse lead us. He's been the master of the house, and it definitely should be the other way around.
Posse is not a hard case. I think she has to stop thinking that she's going to hurt her feelings. I hope that she sees that she has actually
Is there Caesars?
his mom, and not to feel guilty about it, just to do something about it.
Thank you very much.
So you have a strong hand. You represent him. Yeah, that's right. Just hurt my hand.
I want to do what's good for him to make him more balanced. As soon as I become more balanced, so I have to work on myself first, and then I will have a better dog, and he'll be happier. Even if you think you have a small problem with your
Who's that, Age?
finding a local professional.
Is that your friend Caesar?
14-year-old Dasher has been recovering from his illness, so Shannon hasn't been able to implement all the techniques I taught her. But the good news is that Shannon has not been bitten by Dasher since the day we worked together, and she's looking forward to continuing Dasher's rehabilitation. Jessica reports she can walk Riley alone and go right past people and other dogs with no problems. Riley still has some reactions to skateboards. Keep working on it, Jessica. Little Fuzzy is no longer attacking the vacuum cleaner or the iron board, so Daphne can get ready for work without a struggle. Until next time.
Who's that, Age?